I appreciate you guys clicking on the video, and please, before we start, please like, subscribe, and comment, and see if you guys can comment and see if you guys want any ideas of video ideas. So right now we're going to be heading to my friend Trey's house. We're going to get his car started because he needs to do a valve spring adjustment and he needs to time his motor, so I'm going to go help him with that. So yeah, when we get there, start recording, start getting into it. So yeah, let's just get to it. Boom. Alright guys, I made it to Trey's house finally, and we're gonna be working on his car. We got his head torn up, we got his valve cover off, his head's on the block already. We gotta do a few things, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright, so see the valve cover's off, obviously. This head looks like when he got it, it was remachined, but we didn't notice this, but there is a crack.
But I'm just gonna send it.
Because he doesn't give a shit. It's just to hold it dizzy, to be honest. I mean, it's not, at least it's not on the actual head. Okay, we got spark plugs taken out. As you can see, there's nothing in there. It's emptiness. It's purebred emptiness. Spark plugs taken out. We're going to get the valve springs tightened down, and then we're going to have to time the motor. We're going to give it an oil change, and then we're going to try to start this thing. Because me and Trey been trying to get this bitch started forever. Because his other head kind of pooped out. His other head is right here. This bitch is nasty. I mean, it's just carbon buildup, so I mean, it's normal and it's just oil, but you can tell that shit is nasty as shit. But yeah, so this head looks like it hasn't even seen oil. That's what's seen oil. And there's his valve cover. He has to repaint it because it looks like shit. And then his tensioner down right. Oh, did you even put it in? Oh yeah, it's right there. Tensioner right there. I had to do some rigging to get that thing off because it was so stripped, and tensioners, I guess, on these motors don't like to come out sometimes. And that's why some people buy new blocks, but I was like, nah, you're not gonna buy a new block. Because then we have to pull the whole motor again. This motor's been pulled too many times. Oh, and then look at his HXs. It's matching like me. Yeah, so once we get into it, I'll start recording again.
Down?
I'm supposed to get that one down, right?
This one's supposed to go up.
And check the other one. Or I mean, are they connected? Oh.
Which one's up? That one's down.
There we go, that one's up.
Okay.
1 and 4.
I have to do 1 and 3.
So you have to get 3 up.
According to what? Damn, I left my charger in this room. Fuck.
Who, Miller?
And you're fucking. Damn. My phone goes. I thought you.
Anybody wondering what this motor is? It's a D15 V2 stock motor. It's a motor that came in these things.
Okay.
With this clean shift knob. Yeah, this has been my old one. I haven't showed you guys yet, but I got a new shift knob. Let's go check it out. Alright. We're in my car. Boom. Real carbon fiber energy adjustable shift knob. And you just loosen this and you pull this up. I mean, you can thread it up. That's it.
It's great having money sometimes.
Alright, we are adjusting the valve springs to what they need to be. You got his, I don't even know what that tool is, the buttery tool, I'm gonna call it that. Okay, Trey, how do we do this? What do we do here?
Very tediously, honestly.
Oh, too tight.
Maybe. Well, it's supposed to be like this, 'cause like this. It's not really supposed to easily go in. Like once
This was smooth around.
Yeah, but without butter. Just think of it as like you're fucking putting bread on butter.
That was a very interesting analogy, but okay.
It worked.
Let's just keep watching. As Trey works on his car, and I just do this for content. Look at that intake, bro. Is that a oh. Is that a Supra?
Yeah.
No, it's not crappy. It needs love though.
It's getting low.
These rear ones too, right here, and that's gonna be a pain in the ass for the intake side.
Oh, it should, I guess it had just a butthead.
So that's how D15 V2 look like. The head. Everything's minty except that crack right there.
Stop showing my crack, bro.
I'll show you a real crack, dude.
No.
You know, he doesn't use a motor mount, you know. This side, he full sends it.
Dang, bro.
He don't need a motor mount. You see, it's sturdy. Like his coolant reservoir.
Yeah, bro, that's easy too.
Minty fresh.
Why spend $40 when you can do it yourself?
Right. Hey, then he can do mine when I do my motor swap.
Well, I'm doing it right.
Yep.
I think it's the wrong. Yeah, it's definitely the wrong one.
You did get a half radiator, dude.
Dude, there was one at the junkyard.
You should have grabbed it. Why didn't you?
I don't want to go broke.
Would have been so worth it though.
It would have, but Chad was there and he was like, I got one. It's like, bro, but there's one right here.
Chad was at the junkyard?
Yeah, Chad.
Very tedious.
Dude,
So you don't have no ticking.
we'll go right there.
Now he will tighten it down a little bit.
Some spoons.
Okay. I said, okay.
He will tighten it down very carefully, not to spec yet. 'Cause we don't have the spec yet. I know it's 10 pounds, 10 foot-pounds.
This one seems too tough.
But it's moving like butter.
Yeah, but it's moving like butter.
So I guess that's all that matters, I'm guessing.
I guess. Fuck it.
We've got 4 done out of... Is there 8 on each side?
2, 4,
Yes.
6, 8, yeah.
Out of 16.
Guys, it's 4, 8.
Shut up.
Hey.
We're car guys.
I'm gonna read instructions.
Hey, we're car guys. We ain't mathematicians over here. We're not going to Harvard.
Okay, but you're videotaping.
Yeah,
So,
that's fine.
content.
That's content. Talking about Harvard.
Maybe you want a spark plug?
Alright guys, so as you saw in the last clips of me recording, it's been the next day. We tried to get his car running, we did everything we were supposed to do, and the valve springs were tightened and everything, and it just didn't want to start. And when it started for a second, it sounded like a Subaru, and obviously a Honda is not supposed to sound like that. So, but it's not throwing any code, so we didn't know what to do. And then it sounds like the block lost compression. Never a good thing, so we're hoping for the best. I'm just in my car right now because I'm not at his house right now helping him, because we have no idea what we should do right now. It might be either his timing might still be off, we retimed it like 3 times, and then the valve springs might need to be tightened more, because when we try to start and put my battery in it, because we thought maybe his battery is dead, it sounded like metal slapping on metal, and that's obviously not a good thing. So we're hoping for the best, we're hoping for it to start, but as you saw, we did everything that we watched other YouTube videos so we can get a good idea of what we're doing and what we have to do. We just tried our best, and sometimes it doesn't work out, so we're gonna try to at least get it running by next weekend so we can go to a car meet, because we've been trying to go, but his car just has not been running. But I'm gonna throw some rollers in. So last night when we went to car meet, after we tried to get his car started, you'll see it on the screen.
Stream need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a Birkin, bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, a mask off, faceless. Fuck it up, bitches fuck with me like a double cup. Pouring up, pull up to the scene with a double dutch. Buckle up, racing on the street with a muscle front. Huddle up, fucking with my team, y'all be coming up. Ooh, none of these bitches ever heard about you. Zooming through the block with the murdered out. With the clock, they forgot about it. Get rock, I'm tight with your bitch like a ziplock. Wristwatch, icy with the drip when it's hit top. Brit top, yeah, I caught a body with a headshot. Guess not, I'm a chili pepper, bitch, I'm red hot. Rider, buster, you need.
Hope you guys enjoy those rollers. They're very fun to make. And on my windshield it says locally hated. That's a new group. Me and my friend and a few other buddies are getting banners for. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. We really try to get the car running. I try to record more, but it just got very not interesting to record for content. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and comment. My Instagram will be on the screen, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, it's been a few hours since our last clip. I know that was supposed to be the ender of the video, But I guess I'm gonna tell you guys. My friend Trey, that's who I was helping with this car in this video. He's messaged me like an hour or so. No, it was like 30 minutes ago. I was working out and then I'm eating. But I wanted to record this before it gets too late so I can upload this video after I'm done with this. But so yeah, he texted me. The reason his car wasn't starting, we did everything we did correctly. His block lost compression, and it's done. It blew up. It's done. So there's metal shavings where the pistons are, shit ton of coolant. Well, it's just bad. Send me a picture. I mean a video. I'm gonna put that in the video right now.
The block is toast, and there's a metal shaving. But that's every cylinder.
I hope you guys saw that and saw what was actually going on. There's metal shavings where the pistons go. So yeah, that motor is done. So I told him to get a different motor. I mean, he's been wanting to get a different motor. I told him to get rid of the D15B2 to stop trying to get more and rebuild them. Has not been luck. He's been through like 3 motors already, which is not his fault, but the D15B2 he has not had good luck with. So he's going to be getting another motor, hopefully soon. I don't know when, but he's going to be getting another motor. But I'm not going to tell you guys because it's a surprise. He has his idea. I'm not going to give it away. But yeah, now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. This is Ashley the Ender, and yeah, his motor blew up. I know. Freaking crazy, dude. Freaking sucks. I feel so bad for that dude. Much love to him, but hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.